Accessing an employee's HR details. There are 3 HR processes that can be administered to an existing employee. These are Probation Review, Performance Review, and Policy Acknowledgement. For effective management, the managers can access the information about these from within the subject employee's record. To access all relevant HR details for an employee, follow these steps. Select Human Resources from the sidebar menu, then Employees, and select the relevant employee from the list. Next, select the HR tab. Here, you have access to view any performance reviews, probation reviews, and policy acknowledgements. The respective details on these tabs can be edited by clicking on the icon of the record as shown. For more details on the relevant HR processes, please see the respective tutorial.